Hello guys, so let's do a quick review about the Mira Network project. And one of the reasons I had to make this video is that I think we are currently having two Mira Network. There is an app, Mira Network, where we have to mine every 24 hours. If you're on my Telegram channel, I think you should be mining that. It's also called Mira Network and a different Twitter account. But for this Klok app is the Mira Points that I'm going to be talking about in this video. So this is their own Twitter page. As you can see, they have a golden tick. But for this mining one that I mentioned earlier, they have a blue tick. So that one you mine every 24 hours. It's an app, but this is this particular one, this Klok app, is an AI project. So what's this Mira Network building? They are building something reasonable, and they've currently raised over $9 million in funding. They said Mira is proposing a solution to the AI reliability problem using a network of diverse AI verifiers. And they said the team has allocated 0.5% of its total supply to Kaito Yappers. So for those that have been yapping on Kaito, they allocated 0.5%. Not too bad, but for you to earn on this Klok app, you have to sign up, connect your wallet, connect your EVM wallet, and interact with the AI every day. You have to sign up, connect your EVM wallet, and interact with the AI every day. And let me also say this: they just finished a $51,000 giveaway. So meaning that I think they are strong. They just finished a $51,000 giveaway. So do not mistake this with the one that we are mining, the app that we are mining. Do not. This is a different one. I don't know why they have to bear Mira Network. I don't know, but it's a different one, different developer, different project, different utility, and all of that. So, and here is their X profile. So you can see breaking news: weekly quest 8 winners decoded. We went full detective mode, uncovering wide AI, something like that. So that's a $51K dollars giveaway they just finished for this Mira Network. So this is a different project entirely, not the mining app that we are doing. Building the trust layer for AI, powering 4 million plus users. So they currently have about 4 million plus users. So, and what you need to do is to check the registration link in the description box of this video. You can connect the link to your wallet dApp browser. So it's either you paste the link to your OKX wallet dApp browser or your MetaMask wallet dApp browser, then you connect your wallet. So as you can see, I'm currently using a PC, but you can connect on your OKX dApp browser. I hope you understand. So you can use your wallet to connect. You don't have to have a PC to do all of that. So once you connect your EVM wallet, either OKX or MetaMask, then also connect your X account. You have to connect your Twitter. Then how do you earn their points? All of these points that you are currently seeing, you earn them by interacting with the AI. So you have 10 points to interact with the AI every day, meaning that every day you have 10 what's it called? 10 tickets. Let me just say, like, tickets to interact with the AI. So you can't use more than 10. And for each of these points that each of these tickets that you use to interact with the AI, you get 10 points, 10 Mira points. These points will be converted. You can see 10 total points, total Mira points. So these points will be converted to the Mira token. So this is how to earn the Mira points on this Klok app. As I mentioned earlier, this is different from the Mira Network mining app. So if your mining app is a different thing, this one is a different. As a matter of fact, the mining app, I think they have a blue tick. So you can they have a blue tick on X. So you can use that to differentiate. So if I want to earn points like this, I'm just going to verify I am a human. Yeah. Then ask the AI any question. Let me say BTC, or let me just say, is BTC bullish, or are you bullish on BTC? So you can just ask the AI any question. So sometimes this thing doesn't get to respond, but I will advise you, just keep logging in, checking every day, like open the platform, open this page every day, and still ask questions, because you never can tell. You can see it's taking longer to load. I don't know why it's this, but make sure you are just today they've added the points. I don't know. I think they will add up the points later, because it has add up to today's question that I asked. Let me click on this plus sign and still ask more questions. So maybe they will get to add it to these points, because I don't know. I should be seeing 1,110 points now, but it has not increased. So I'll just keep asking though. I wouldn't mind. I'll keep asking to see if they will eventually add it up. Let me write, okay, ETH, are you bullish or bearish? Are you bullish or bearish on ETH? So I just want to keep trying. Maybe eventually they will sum up the points for me. I wouldn't mind to just keep trying. So this is how you interact with the AI every day. You have 10 tickets or 10 chances every day. So if you use up the 10, you are done for that day. The following day you come back and use up the 10. So that's how to earn the Mira points, all these Mira points that you are seeing. And I think I'm bullish on this project. For them to be able to even do $51K giveaway, that makes sense. Even though their funding is not looking high, just $9 million funding, but I think I'm bullish. Yeah, they are building something reasonable. So I will advise you to get on this immediately. Check the registration link in the description box of this video and start participating. Check in every day, ask the AI any question. Do not mind if the point is added or not. Just make sure you ask the AI any question. Maybe thereafter they will get to summarize the points. And since all of these charts is showing here, so subsequently they might get to add up the points. So this is how to interact on this Klok app to earn Mira points. And await subsequent updates on their TG and all of that. Make sure you connect, you sign up using your EVM wallet. Click on the link in the description box of this video. Paste it to your OKX or MetaMask wallet, that browser, and connect your wallet. Then also connect your X accounts and start interacting with the AI every day to earn the Mira points. And stay tuned for subsequent updates. Like this video, share for others to also get notified about this. Also subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on my subsequent updates. Join my Telegram community. Check the link in the description box of this video or the pinned post in the comment section. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.